On the internet, there is an RTX 3060 Ultra also floating around. It's from Asus. It looks like a sketchy or a fake image to me, but there might be a 3060 Ultra. I'm not sure on that. Take this with a big grain of salt, because there is the Super series, there is a TI series, and Nvidia has already launched most of it, and TI, it has already launched the 3060 Ti. So take it with a grain of salt. But the thing is that 3060 Ultra, it might be coming, and we saw a leak from Asus. I'll put the pic here. The problem with that is, I guess it will be a thing to combat the 6700 XT. They're just gonna release the RTX 3060, not the Ultra, just the normal RTX 3060, and with a 12GB of GDDR6 RAM, which is insane. In the previous generation, even 2080 Ti has 11GB of GDDR6 RAM. So they're going to be launching GDDR6 12 gigs because Nvidia is afraid. Nvidia is afraid that they will lose their market share after the launch of 6700 series. So the RX 6700 XT and the RX 6700 is also rumored to have 12GB of VRAM, and as you can see, the Nvidia RTX 3070 even has 8GB of GDDR6 memory, but it's still 8GB. So Nvidia is messing up their lineup. I don't know why they are doing it, but yeah, these cards are value for money, and hopefully just grab this card. If you see this card in stock for any amount of money, just grab this card. It is going to be under a budget, and it is going to be a really good card, because in the future, like the Bitcoin and Ethereum prices are skyrocketing. They're going very high, so miners are looking into the RTX 3060 Ti, the RTX 3080. They're just stocking up and mining. Mining is back to being profitable. They're mining, so you won't be able to get cards in 2021, which is a really bad thing. The RTX 3050 and 3050 Ti are like, basically they will not be affected, but if the whole market as a whole gets affected in terms of the RTX card stocks and the high-end card stocks, so it will obviously have a little effect on the lower end SKUs as well. So basically, if you see any RTX 3060, 3050 or 3050 Ti in stock, and if you're getting it for a normal MSRP or a little above MSRP, just grab the card. There is no question about it.
Okay, so this part of the video is from the editing Tegra. I was editing my video and I searched up 3060 Ultra for some tags and stuff, and if there are any updates on the card or any leaks or rumors. So basically I found this video from Technation. The Technation, I'm a subscriber from 20k subs when he was really small, and the problem I have is the thumbnail and the title. Both are very misleading, and he has a lot bigger audience. A lot of Indians and audience are influenced by him, and as a subscriber I'm telling him that this is not right. The pricing here is 18,500 rupees, and even in the title he mentions up that 18,500 rupees. So basically in the video he tells you that the pricing will be around $350 or something, but this thumbnail and title is very misleading, totally misleading. And let me convert you. So this video, I'm making this video after the announcement of the 3060 RTX 3060 with 12GB of GDDR6 RAM, and the pricing is $329. So let me convert $329 to rupees, and yeah, so 24,000 rupees is the US pricing for RTX 3060, and this guy is quoting that rupees 18,500. Yeah, $250, almost $255. Yeah, $255 for the RTX 3060 Ultra. He literally has this in the title. I don't know why he did this. He is literally misleading people. If this was a 3050 or 3050 Ti even, I would have been fine. Or maybe even the RTX 3060 price without the taxes or something before announcement. But this is totally misleading and fake. So I do not recommend you trust every creator thumbnails and stuff and titles and just don't get misleaded. That's what I'm telling you basically. And yeah, hopefully he removes it. And I don't have any problem with the content, but like people see this and people are gonna be like, I'm gonna buy the 3060 Ultra for 20,000 maybe if it's mentioned 18,500. An Indian general consumer who is looking to build a PC or buy a new graphic card or upgrade soon, he's gonna be like, I wanna buy it. I want a 3060 Ultra for 20,000. So hopefully he removes the thumbnail, which is really misleading.
Okay, so that was it about for the video. Let me also know your opinion on RTX 3060 Ultra. Should Nvidia be bringing a 3060 like Ultra series, or they should be keeping just the TI and the Super series? And thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you like